Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pre-order Grand Theft Auto 6. Today it releases on June 25. It's going to be available for pre-order. So in some regions it is going to release early as soon as 12 a.m. and in some regions it is going to be a bit late. But how to see if it is available in your region and how can you purchase it? It's really easy to do. If you're on Xbox, I can help you with that, but this video is about the PS5. We're going to make another video for the Xbox, so make sure to check it out as well. So what you're going to do is you have to log in into your PlayStation account, and after that, what you're going to do is you are going to head over to the PlayStation Store. And once you're there, you're going to head over to the search bar, and once you're there as well, Grand Theft Auto 6 is likely to be there because it's like trending. But if it's not there, what you're going to do is you're simply going to search for GTA 6. Once you do that, there you will have it, GTA 6 on your search results, and you just have to go onto the store page. See, for me right now, it is not available for pre-order because in my region, it's not still available. For some reason, I don't know, they said like it will be available at like 12 a.m. or something, but it is still not. But if it is available for pre-order, you are going to see a pre-order option instead of a wish list and follow. You're likely going to see purchase or pre-order. You're likely going to see pre-order. You just have to click that, and then you will move ahead with your transaction of the game, and it will be just a quick few steps, and that's it for the video. If it has helped you, please like to follow, go to subscribe the channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.